How to fix Snapchat adding friend problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat adding friend problem. So guys, if you're facing a problem for adding your friend in Snapchat, watch this video till the end. This video is for you. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is make sure that your internet connection is on. Please check your data connection, scroll down the option and just check it out. And then the second method is you have to restart your phone. You have to restart your phone here, and then the third step is method is you have to go to Google Play Store and search for Snapchat, and then check whether the Snapchat is asking for any update. You have to update it, but they didn't update me. They didn't ask me any update, so I have already updated. So guys, if you find any option for update, you have to update it, and then go to the Snapchat and check it. And if the problem doesn't get solved, then you have to do is go to your mobile settings here. Go to your phone settings and then scroll down, go to app management or install apps. We have different option in different phones, so I have app management, so I will go to app management, and then you can see here show systems processes. So go to Snapchat now. Go to Snapchat, and then you can see here force stop button. Click to force stop, and you have to stop the force here. And then again click to storage uses. You have to clear all the data here, and then you have to clear the caches also. Now go back, and then go back, and then you can see here app permission. Click to app permission, and you have to allow all the permission here. You have to allow all the permission as I have already allowed it. You have to allow all the permission, and the problem will be solved. And again your problem is not solving, then you have to do is just uninstall the Snapchat and reinstall it. And then after reinstalling the application, go open this, and then let's try. Okay, this is my friend. Let's try to add. Yeah, it has been added. So see here, yeah, added. So guys, this is how you can fix your Snapchat adding friend problem. Thanks for watching.